Sing, step and grow.
Hi everyone, today we're looking at rhythm. Rhythm is our length in music, our long sounds, our short sounds, our silences, and combinations of those three things. In music, we might have very long sounds. In music, we might have very, very short sounds. And what we have in music are symbols to represent those long and those short sounds. And we're going to look at some of those symbols today. In music, we have a long sound called a whole note or a semibreve. This is a 4-count note. It's quite long. In music, we have half notes or minims. This is a 2-count note. It's quite long, but not as long as a whole note. In music, we have quarter notes or crotchets. These notes last for 1 count. In music, we have eighth notes or quavers. These notes only last for half a count. They're very, very short. But sometimes they like to hold hands with a friend. And if there are 2 of them, they are equal to 1 count. Then we have super short notes, 16th notes, or semiquavers. These notes are so short they are only worth a quarter of a count long. But again, they often like to travel in a group, and you'll often see 4 of them holding hands together. Sometimes we like to use different words to help us remember the value of each note. We're going to look at crotchets, quarter notes, and quavers, 8th notes today. We like to say the word tar for a crotchet and the word TT for quavers. And we're going to try a few combinations of our tars and our TTs. Oh, that picture has 4 quarter notes or 4 crotchets. If we were to use our tar word, it would sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tar, 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 tar. Let's look at another one. Oh, that one now has a TT in it. A tar, followed by a TT and 2 more tars. It would sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tar, TT, tar, tar. Let's have a look at one more together. That one has all TTs. Let's have a try. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. T, 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 T. Good job. Now I want you to watch a few more combinations of our tars, our quarter notes, our crotchets, our 1-beat notes, and our TTs, our 8th notes, or quavers, or half-count notes, but joining hands with a friend.
1, 2, ready, say.
T T T T T T ta.
Very good, let's clap and say.
T T T T T T ta.
Very good, say it in your head. This time we will clap it only. One, two, ready, say.
T T ta ta ta.
Very good, let's clap and say.
T T ta ta ta.
Very good, say it in your head. This time we will clap it only.
Good job! You just used some longer sounds and some shorter sounds and had combinations of the two of them. Rhythm, our long sounds and our short sounds. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Sing,